Okay, Mason boy, come on. Time for a hit. Come on, Mason.
Come on, Mason.
That's it. Oh, dadgummit. That's the one you want to get in on that one. Okay, Mason, come on, 1-on-1. Give it a rip. Oh no. All right, Mason, come on, 2 strikes.
Come on, Mason.
Come on. Oh my God! No, well, no, wish. All right, Mason boy. He'll be hungry after this. No, he had a big sandwich. He had a big sandwich. Yeah.
Matthew.
Well, I didn't know what to get you.
Kim and Matt Colstrom were supposed to go to Subway. I don't know if they ran into you there or not. Good eye, good eye.
All right, keep battling, Mason.
It's close. Get it, Mason.
Mason right here, kid.
That's it. All right, stay in there. Hang in there. How many swings you got so far?
Oh, geez. 1, 2, 3. 3 at least.
That's it. No, no, not right to him. Yeah, all right. Good job. Good job, Mason boy. Good job, boy. All right, good job.